is Robert Motua. I'm a first year student at Multimedia University, currently pursuing computer science with technology. I am a software engineer and a robotics enthusiast and also a cybersecurity enthusiast, currently learning about networking also and software engineering. The programs that I learned in Elimu Resource Center are software engineering, networking, robotics, videography and photography, 3D printing, and cybersecurity. So what inspired me to learn in Elimu Resource Center is the good knowledge and good education that they do offer to students. What inspired me to do cybersecurity is that I've always been passionate about hacking. You know, when we were kids, you really love hearing about hacking and stuff. So I really wanted to be a cybersecurity analyst, but I realized that there is no way you can break into systems without you knowing how to create systems. So I started by learning software engineering for me to understand how to create systems before actually breaking into them. At Elimu Resource Center, I learned a lot of things for me to win a hackathon. So since in Elimu Resource Center we were taught how to create websites and applications using different programming languages, like for Android apps using Flutter, and for web applications using web scripting languages. So I went further ahead and implemented these skills in real life, and for the projects that I do have, since they are more practical compared to theory, I use the knowledge that I was taught at Elimu Resource Center, like programming languages, how to pitch your ideas, and how to host your ideas in Play Store and websites. There are a lot of challenges that I'm experiencing right now, because if I try to compare the Elimu Resource Center and the institution which I'm in right now, a lot of challenges, like in the school which I'm in right now, it's more of theory, and I would prefer Elimu Resource Center because it's more of hand skills and learning things practically. I to appreciate the donors and the people who are supporting Elimu Resource Center, because it brings a very big impact in terms of helping the community and like providing facilities such as cameras, 3D printers, and digital devices for learning.